2017 Acura RDX, replacing the fastener latch for the armrest. Goes in the middle. So I'll just show you the package I got it out of here. 83417-TX4-AO1. I bought this off of Amazon, I believe. I'm going to show you how the spring goes on here. Notice the long part of the spring is all. This is a short piece here. Okay, lays flat like this, and that's where the little short piece goes like this. Okay, the long piece that you see here, I can't get my finger right there. The long piece will eventually go in this hole to the right here, on the left hand side facing me here. So it's gonna be hard for me to hold my camera and show it. I'm gonna try to hold my camera and show it to you. If I don't, I'll try to do an after picture thing here. Let's see. It's gonna go, all right, like this. And then the long piece will go, shoot, I'm sorry, man, I can't, I forgot. All right, but like I said, the long piece is going to go in that hole. And it's spring loaded, so you're going to have to be really careful and just kind of pull the spring against it. I hope this works. I have no idea. I'll let you know.